Hey, it's Mishi here. Today, I'll share a simple and powerful remedy for soft, pink lips. If you struggle with dry, dark, or chapped lips, this natural solution will transform them in just 7 days. Your lips can become dark and dry due to dehydration, sun exposure, and lack of care. But don't worry, I have a simple DIY remedy to fix this fast. Step 1. Exfoliate with this DIY lip scrub. Mix 1 tsp sugar, tsp honey, and few drops of lemon. Gently scrub for 1 minute and wash off. Step 2. Hydrate. Dab rose water and apply almond oil before bed. This lightens lips and keeps them soft. Step 3. Moisturize daily. Use ghee or coconut oil. It locks in hydration and makes lips naturally pink. Try this for 7 days and see the difference. Comment lips if you want more beauty hacks. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Natural Living with Mishi for more natural remedies.